Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing and first impressions of the new MacBook Neo. Just to mention from the start, this entire video was actually put together on this laptop, in case you're wondering whether it's capable of basic editing and everyday tasks. Inside the box, you only get a USB-C cable. In the UK and EU, it doesn't include a power adapter, but you can easily charge it using a 20-watt iPhone charger. The machine overall feels very solid and definitely not cheap. I think this is once again one of the best values you can get for the money when it comes to Apple laptops. This is also the first MacBook that can be set up directly using an iPhone, which makes the initial setup really quick and simple. One thing worth mentioning, it's probably a good idea to go for the Touch ID version. With that model, you get 512 gigabytes of storage. And with 8 gigabytes of RAM, it's helpful to have the extra storage. Because when the MacBook needs more memory, it uses the internal storage as part of its unified memory system. There are a few compromises though. The keyboard is not backlit, and there's no MagSafe charging port. You get 2 USB-C ports. One is USB-C 3, and the other one is USB-C 2. Here's how the MacBook Neo looks compared to the 11-inch iPad. And also the 13.6-inch MacBook Air. Overall, I think for a basic user, this MacBook is a great option, as long as you can live with a few small compromises. The trackpad is very responsive. It feels slightly different compared to higher-end MacBooks, but the difference isn't huge. The screen is also very good for everyday indoor use. Honestly, I think this could become a big hit for Apple and probably one of their best-selling MacBooks. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions.